In this video, you will learn how to build WordPress websites quickly using InstaWP. InstaWP is a powerful tool for WordPress designers and developers who want to create and test WordPress websites in seconds. Let's see how easy it is to set up WordPress website using InstaWP.
Log into your InstaWP account and it will look like this. Here you will see all the websites that you have created before. But if you are a new user, then it will be blank. To create a new website, from the top click on add new. You can start from scratch, from template, or you can visit InstaWP Store. We have other options as well, like configurations and different types of plugins that you can install on your WordPress website. For now, we are going to set up a simple WordPress website, but we will check out these options later on. So to set up a WordPress website, just click on create site from here. And as you can see that our new WordPress website is now ready. Now click on magic login from here and it will take us to our WordPress website dashboard. So this is the simple WordPress website that we have just created within seconds using InstaWP.
Let's check out the other features of InstaWP by creating a more advanced website. Now we are going to create our website using the configuration functionality.
So we will go back to our InstaWP account dashboard, and again from the top we are going to click on add new. So when we click on add new, here on the top we will see the configuration option. Now if we click on this drop down, so these are the configurations that are already created on our InstaWP account.
With the help of configuration functionality, we can spin websites much faster. We can create configurations with our preferred WordPress version, PHP version, and Faker settings. Let's see how to create configuration in InstaWP.
To create a new configuration, we can click on add new from here. Or from the top, we can easily click on our account icon and then click on configurations. So here on the left side you will see all the configurations that are available on your InstaWP account. Now if you want to add a new configuration to your account, then from the top click on add new. Now give it a name and then click on add. And as you can see that our test configuration is now added to our InstaWP account. And now we are going to do the settings for our configuration. So at first we have the general tab. We can set the WordPress version from here. You can select newer version from here, or you can select any older version from here. After that you can select your PHP version. You can go with the latest version, or you can select any older version from here. You can choose the server location from here. After that, if you want this website to be a reserved site, then you can turn it on, and if you want to add a logo for your site, then you can choose it from here. After that, click on PHP, and here we have all the PHP options. You can configure all the PHP options for your site very easily from here. After that, we have WordPress. You can do all the settings for the WordPress from here. Like you can do settings for wp-config.php. You can do settings for your site language, WordPress username, multi-site installation, or you can add your themes and plugins here, and these themes and plugins will be installed on your new WordPress websites that you will create using the configuration functionality. After that we have a Faker option. Using Faker you can add a demo content to your WordPress website. You can select how many posts, pages and categories you want on your new WordPress website. You can also add demo products to your new WordPress website using this Faker option. After doing all the settings for your configuration, just click on save from here. And as you can see that our configuration is now saved successfully. And now from the top, if I click on sites and then click on add new from here and click on configuration, and here we will see the new configuration that we have created. So if I select the configuration and then click on create site from here, so our new WordPress website is created using the configuration that we have just added to our InstaWP account. So to check out our new website, we are going to click on magic login. So now we are in the dashboard of our new WordPress website that we have created using the configuration functionality.
Now let's see how we can create our new WordPress website from templates. When we create our WordPress website on InstaWP, we can easily save our WordPress website as a template, and later on we can use that template to create our new WordPress websites.
While creating a new website, here we have an option to create our new website from template. Here you will see all the templates that you have saved on InstaWP. Now to create a new template, just close it from here. Next to your website, you will see this option Save Template. Just click on it, or you can cancel it from here. Go to Templates and then click on Add New. Select the website that you want to use as a template and then click on Next. So this is the website that we are going to use as a template. So we are going to add our template name here. After that, we can add the description for our template. You can set your template type to private or shared. After that, you can also turn on instant template for your template and then click on Save. And as you can see that we have successfully added our new template. Now from the top, we are going to click on Sites. And now if I click on Add New, select From Template, and here we will see our template. So we are going to select our template and then click on Create Site. So our WordPress website is now ready. So if I visit my website, and as you can see that our website is now created with the saved template. And this is the same website as the template.
We can also select themes from InstaWP Store and create our new WordPress website. We will find a lot of free themes from InstaWP Store and we can choose a one based on our requirements.
To create a website using InstaWP Store, from here we are going to select Store. Now from the top, we can easily select our page builder. After that, we can select free or paid themes from here. And then we can choose the themes category from here. Or we can also search for themes from here. If you want to preview any theme, just hover over it and then click on Preview. After that, just select the theme and then click on Create Site, and in this way your WordPress website will be created with the theme that you have selected.
Let's say you do not want to use configuration, template or store, then you can install WordPress using custom settings.
While adding a new website, here on the left side we will see the categories for the plugins. Let's say I want to install security plugins on my WordPress website, so I will select security from here, select my security plugin. I also want to install forms plugin and page builders on my WordPress website, so I will select forms from here, select my forms plugin, then I will select page builders from here, select my page builder. Also on the top you will see 3 plugins because we have selected the 3 plugins. After that, we can select the WordPress version from here, then we can select the PHP version from here. We can set our location from here, and after that we can add our site name from here. And if we want to make this website reserved, then we also have a setting for it. And after that, when we will click on Create Site, and now when we will log into our WordPress website and click on Plugins from the left menu, here we will see the plugins that we have selected from the InstaWP dashboard.
Now let's check out the other options that InstaWP offer for our WordPress website.
Next to your website, you will see these Actions tabs, and here we have Auto Login. We can mark our website as reserve. We can save our website as a template, and also we have more actions as well. So if I click on this button, here we will see other common options for our website. The first one is versions.
Using this tool, you can save a snapshot of your WordPress website and you can test new things on your WordPress website. And if something went wrong on your WordPress website, then you can easily roll back to the previous version of your WordPress website.
Click on it. To create a new version of your WordPress website, just click on Save New Version from here. And as you can see that a snapshot of our WordPress website is now created. We can restore our WordPress website from here. We can download the files of our WordPress website from here, or we can also download the database of our WordPress website. Just click on Restore and then click on Confirm, and as you can see that our website is restored successfully, and we have successfully restored our WordPress website. After the versions, we have PHP configuration. So if I click on it, here we will see all the PHP configurations for our WordPress website. After that, we can view the credentials of our WordPress website using this tool. Then we have an option for the migration. We will check it out later on. After that, we have commands. We can export our website as a local WP, After that we have other tools for the WordPress, then we have deployments, suffix domain, and we can clone or delete our WordPress website as well.
After creating your WordPress website on InstaWP, you can easily migrate your WordPress website to the live URL. You can do that by using the InstaWP migration tool. Let's migrate our website to the live URL.
So this is my WordPress website and I want to migrate this website to the live URL. So I am going to click on this 3 dots button next to our site, and after that I am going to select migrate version 3 from here. You can migrate your InstaWP site to the existing live site, or you can create a new live site from here. Just add a hosting to your InstaWP account, then select it from here, and after that you can easily create a new live site from here. But for this tutorial we will go with this first option, existing live site. So this is the WordPress website that we have created on our web hosting using our domain, and now we will move our InstaWP website to this domain. So we are going to copy the domain name of our live site, go back to our InstaWP account, and we are going to paste it here. Now click on connect, and now from our WordPress website we will select yes, I approve, and now we will select begin migration from here, and as you can see that our migration is now started. And now if we want to track the migration, we can select track migrate from here, and as you can see that our migration is now in progress. And as you can see that our website is now successfully migrated. This is the website that we have migrated to the live URL, and this is the demo website that is available on our live URL. So now if I refresh our live URL from here, and as you can see that our website is now successfully migrated from InstaWP to our live URL. If you want to check out InstaWP, link is in the description. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.